Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to deactivate Messenger account temporarily for, of course, just a specific period of time. Now you can't actually set the specific period of time if you want to, since well, it actually depends on your choice and whatever you want to hop onto Facebook Messenger again. And when that happens, it's going to automatically become deactivated. Alright, so to do this, all you need to do is head on over and few application which is number one is Facebook Messenger and also the Facebook application itself. Alternatively, you could actually download Facebook Lite for those devices that can't handle that processing power and memory. So whichever one you choose, it's going to be the some processes. So just watch this tutorial until the end so that you may know how to deactivate your Messenger account temporarily in the most easiest way. No time. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is head on over to Facebook application right here. Not the messenger one, but over here on the Facebook itself, and of course log into the account that you wish to use and you wish to actually deactivate. In this case, I think I would like to choose this one, how to web account, which is basically this account right here. And in order to actually deactivate your Facebook messenger, you also have to deactivate your Facebook, basically your Facebook itself, because once you deactivate your Facebook messenger at the same time. So in order to do this, all we need to do is head on over to settings and privacy, and head on to settings. So when you are here, you can actually just head on to the account which is going to be located over here on the account. Update your information so that you can just keep your account secure. And what this does is it actually just update your personal information and account information. If you want to also update your account ownership and control so that you can manage your data more, but since we actually want to deactivate our account, this is what we actually want to click on. So over here, since we clicked on account ownership and control, what we need to click on next is the deactivation and deletion option right here, so that we may temporarily disable and deactivate our account for a short period of time, or when we just want to get back into our account again, so that we may be reactivating again once more. So click over here on the deactivate account so that you may deactivate your account. Click on continue. To account deactivation, make sure you have chosen deactivating account, because you may actually choose the other option which says a delete account, which is actually permanent. Now if you want is to be temporary, well, of course you have to make sure that you have clicked on the deactivate account. Okay, so when you have clicked on that, head it over to continue to account deactivation. Add your password over here, and basically when you click on continue, that's going to permit you to start and proceed with deactivating your messenger and as well as your Facebook account temporarily, just until you log in into that account once more. And then once you actually do that, it's gonna reactivate your account again. So this was the process by which you can deactivate messenger account temporarily. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a good day.